Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. First of all, congratulations to all of you who just joined this 11th class. And I want to give my introduction first. I am Akhilesh Pandey, and in this session I will teach you the mathematics. Here, this is the book, okay, and this is the writer of this book is ML Agarwal, and Arya Publication is the publisher. In 11th class, you will study two books of mathematics, that is volume first and volume second. Here, first of all, we should discuss about the volume first, and after that volume second. Here I want to explain about the question paper. In mathematics class 11, question paper have two question paper. There will be two paper in the subject. In mathematics subject we have two paper. The paper first is the theory of 3 hours, and the maximum mark will be 80, and the paper second will be project work, that is 20 marks. Okay, it means there will be 2 marks, two paper, that is the paper first and paper second. This is the new syllabus of 11th class. Last year we had only one paper, one theory paper, not any project work. In last year we had only one paper in 3 hours and 100 marks. But in the new session we had some difference. Here paper first theory will be of 80 marks, and the syllabus is divided into 3 sections, that is A, B and C. Section A compulsory for all the student, but section B and section C candidate will have a choice. The student may write the solution of section B or in section or section C. Basically we discuss about this section, that is section B. Here section C is for commerce student. Okay. The section A part will be of 65 marks, and you have to attempt all the question. But here in this portion we have internal choices. Means internal choices will be provided in 2 questions of 2 marks each, and 2 questions in 4 marks each, and 2 questions of 6 marks each. Here internal choices I want to explain, just like if we have here just like two question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Internal choices means if the question paper 5 is given something, we have to write here, here may be given or some question, one more question. So here in this question and this question we have to do any one. This is called the internal choices. Here the choices is not like the class 10. In class 10, remember in second section we have 7 questions from question number 5 to question number 12. Question number 5 to question number 11. There are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and out of that 7 questions you have to choose 4 questions from section A and 4 questions from the section B. And in section B 7 questions was given, and you have to choose you have to choose only 4, but here different. Only internal choices will be given. Just like here question number 5 may be given like this way. and other question, and you have to choose any one, not both, any one. Similarly, maybe question number 1 given here or sub question, any one we have to choice. Okay, this type of question is called internal choice of question. Okay, in this way, this is the total about section A and section B. Section A only. Section B, section B or section C. Section C. Now let us see about section B and section C. I already told you we have to just discuss about the syllabus of section B, not for section C. Section C is for the commerce student. They choose section C, not section B. Okay, so we choose only this portion, and this section B will be of 15 marks. Here section A 65 marks and section B 15 marks. The total will be 80 marks. Okay. Now in section B also we have to attempt all the questions, but here internal choices is also given just like section A. And I told you what is the internal choices. The internal choices will be one question of 2 marks and one question of 4 marks. In this way, you have to solve section A and section B. The second paper will be project work. The marks 20 marks. The project work will be of 20 marks, and there will be 2 projects. There will be 2 projects. One project will be from section A, and one project will be from section B and section C. Here again, you have to think about this only, because this is for the commerce student. It means you will get 2 projects, one from section A and other from section B. In this way, 80 marks from here and 20 marks from here. Total you have 100 marks. In class 11. This is total about the question paper. Okay. When the next video will be related to our syllabus. The first topic of the syllabus is set theory. I think you know something about the sets, because in ICSE board in class 7 or 8 it is given set, but again we should be beginning our topic from the first chapter of the section A, that is set. If you want to ask about fair copy, you have one near about 250 to 300 pages, a notebook for math solution, and if it will be completed, then you can take the next one. So this is total about the question paper pattern, class 11. Thank you. All the best.